And are you doing the epidural?
Oh, what am I, raw dog in a C-section?
People do it all the time.
That's true.
What?
These hippie weirdos.
No,
No.
people, dude. I've had so many people because I did a whole bit about how it's not painful and it's labor's bullshit.
Yeah.
And women all the time. I mean, people get furious. First of all, you're like, I'm so obviously kidding, but people be like, you don't know. And then I would talk to a couple women and be like, well, you had the epidural. And they're like, no, we didn't do the epidural. I'm like, well, that's on you, you douchebag.
Yeah, you're insane.
Well, your friend Bailey did 3 no drugs.
Yeah, I don't know why. Bailey, if you're listening,
She's not.
Bailey
why are
J?
you doing that? Yeah.
Well, then you got to get a big needle into your spine, though, which is weird.
I feel like people are like, I don't at that point.